everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. We have an unboxing today, and I'm thinking this is from SAMORGA. So it's been a while. A lot of the parcels are not coming in for some reason. I'm still waiting on my Chanel, and I'm still waiting on my LV. So SAMORGA got through. All right, so let's go ahead and see what I got. All right, let's go ahead and unbox. And when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, so you definitely want to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, ask me a bunch of questions. I love it. All right. See if we can get into it. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, they package it pretty good, so. All right, we're in. Woohoo! All right, got my blade. I hope everybody's staying safe. The snow is finally melting, so that's good. So hopefully we won't get another blast for a while. We probably get another blast maybe in February, but hopefully not, but we'll see. All right, so that's what it looks like. All right. Okay, so it says SAMORGA Happy New Year 2022. And I got a for my Alma-PM. This is Apricot. And I did use the 20% discount code from Minks for All. So thank you, Minnie, for letting me use that. So that was nice. So this is the new packaging, if you haven't seen SAMORGA's new packaging. It used to be different. They didn't have this plastic. They had, it was kind of like a paper type of thing, but they changed the packaging. Yeah, I only use SAMORGA organizers in my bags. I highly recommend them. They're excellent. They last for a long time. I've had SAMORGA organizers. I started with my Speedy 30, and that was over at least five years, I would say. And it still looks brand new. So I'm looking forward to using that. So this is what the Alma-PM looks like, the shape. All right, and they stuff them really nice too, see? With the packaging. And then you can use these for your bags, so it works out really good. You can recycle yourself. And this is what the inside looks like. You get, let's see here if I can show you. You get 2 slots there. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, so you get 2 slots here. Kind of open them a little bit. And then on the other side, I'll just fold this down. And you get 2 more. Plus you get, or it says SAMORGA. All right, so that's for my Alma. And then this is for my WOC. And I got it in the, they call this Pivoine. It's kind of like a hot pink. It's kind of cool. I thought this would be like a different color. And you do get one little slot here. See the little slot? And then the top part is pretty cool. Alright, the top part is for the chain. Alright, and it says SAMORGA. And then it has Velcro. And then basically you put your chain in here. And then you just fold it over. Like that. And that's Velcro. Alright. Then you put your chain in here. And then that's how you store it. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then when you want to just, you know, take it off, then you just unvelcro it and away you go. Alright, so that's what I got from SAMORGA. That's going to be it for this year. Unless I get another bag, but probably not. It's gonna be a no-buy, low-buy year. So I'm just using what I have. And then if something comes up that I have to have it, then I'll have to try to figure it out. But I don't know. I think you should use the bags that you have. So I'm going to start. I do rotate my bags. So I did just get the Chanel Walk from Fashion File. So make sure you check out that unboxing. I'm going to be doing what fits. And then I'm going to be doing my SAMORGA. How the SAMORGA looks in the walk. And I'm also going to be doing what the SAMORGA looks like in the Alma-PM. So I don't think you really notice what a difference it makes for your bags having an insert per se. I only use SAMORGA, but they have other inserts online, but I would just rather pay the extra money and get a better quality, I guess, because of the experience. And if you have any problems, you just let them know. They fix everything, no problems, and they're well worth the money. So, oh, Ted says, hi, Happy New Year.
Hello.
Yeah, if you didn't see the orange and cranberry muffin, we made those yesterday and they were very good. So keep the requests coming. It's not all about luxury handbags. We do have other videos. We have lifestyle. We post a lot of pictures on Instagram every day. So make sure you follow us there at susansrstyle. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for your support. Bye now.